Today I will be showing you how to literally create Python inside of Python, and it's really cool. So basically you start off with open, whatever you want to call it. I'm just going to call it inputs.txt, sorry, not .txt, .py, make sure it is .py, and in mode W as f, or whatever you want to call it, f.write, yeah, there we go, and then just write nothing, just blank, so it just rewrites the whole thing. And then you're gonna go print, this is optional by the way, just print nothing. You don't have to do that, but I would recommend it. And now you're gonna create a new variable called valid and set it to true. Now you're gonna use an if statement. If valid, no, sorry, not if. It's a while statement. So while valid, and then colon, then you're gonna go with open again, inputs.py, and then a this time as f or whatever. Oops, wasn't supposed to happen. And then you're gonna put in here py main is another variable, call whatever you want, and set it to input, and then inside the input do whatever you want. I'm just gonna put input and then 3 hours. Make sure you have a space in the end so it looks better. And then you're gonna go yes, f.write. And then you're gonna make sure it's f or whatever your variable was. And you're gonna write, not that, you're gonna write py main or whatever you call the variable that had the input in it. Now you're gonna use an if statement, and then you're gonna go if py main equals, make sure there's double equals run, and then here you're gonna say valid equals false, or if you don't want to use a thingy-mabobbo variable and you want to make this shorter, then you can just break the loop. And then hold on, alright, so now you're gonna import something called subprocess. So basically this lets you run a different script from another script. So now you're gonna go subprocess dot run, which will run whatever you input in there, and then brackets. It's sorry about the lag. It's probably because how big that explanation thing is. And you're gonna type in Python. Yes, Python. I don't know why you have to do that. You just have to anyways. And then you're gonna put in the name of the file that you want to run. So for me, it's inputs.txt. But it's just basically whatever you named the file. And that's literally it. So now you have, now you have Python and Python. And oops. Okay. You can now see that inputs.py is there. So far, if we run it, and then you can see input, and then I can go like print, I don't know, just print like hello, YouTube, because you are watching this video after all, so. And then if you input run, it will run the program, which actually prints hello YouTube, and you can see it shows up share. Yeah. So now okay, let's try using a variable now to print. So oops, well, name, let's just call variable name equals YouTube, and then print hello, and then let's do thingy-ma-bobble, and then you use a plus symbol, obviously, and then you put in name, and then you parentheses, and now let's see what it does. Oops, something happened. There we go. Run, and oh wait, we've got an error, and it says invalid syntax, but all of it's on one line. How do we fix this? Well, if you go back into main.py and in f.write do plus and then your thingy-mabobs, and then go \n, make sure it's \. So this will just create a new line inside inputs.py, so everything gets put on a new line. Oh wait, that wasn't supposed to happen. Hold on. Wait, hold on. Give me a second. Just gonna go run, cancel it. Yeah, that happens. Oh wait, input actually pointed into there. Okay, maybe don't copy paste with this then. Name equals, so just do the same thing as before, but this time it will hopefully work. Let's see. Now we're gonna go print hello plus name and print these, and then put in input run, and you can see it actually prints hello YouTube. And you can see the run doesn't actually do anything. It doesn't throw an error or anything anyways. So yeah, it works now. So that's basically Python in Python in just 16 lines. Around this entire video is 9 minutes long, but that's the end is just for information. But yeah, it's basically just Python in 5 minutes. And you might have been wondering, what's that extra information? Well, this video is the first of a series which I'm gonna teach you how to make your own coding language using these guidelines. So, and you can see there's no errors in this, which is really cool. Not even a weak warning, let alone a warning or an error. So yeah, this is gonna be part 1 of like maybe 4 or 5. I don't know. We'll see. But yes. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like the video so we can beat the YouTube algorithm. And yeah, that's basically all for today. Yeah, and I will see you all in the next M2N video.